What's good, YouTube, man? This is your boy HBK Earl, man. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here with my boy Greg, man. And today we're gonna be putting like tints on my lights right here and the sides and stuff. And there's gonna be a little design on there. So yeah, man, let's get it, man. Now he's gonna just spray it, and then we gotta wipe it.
You gotta hurry up and wipe it so it don't dry. Clean that bitch.
I should have washed my car before this. Is it alcohol?
Yeah.
I know there's barely light and stuff, but you know, we just wanna put it on. Then I'm gonna show y'all the after effect. But this is what it's supposed to look like right here on the back of my car, and then I'm gonna do the sides and stuff. I don't think that goes right there.
It does.
It goes on top, Greg. Oh Lord.
Right. You put a heat gun after it.
Huh?
After I put this on, that's when you put the heat gun on. To like,
Oh, it's supposed to straighten it out.
to make it stick better. The heat gun gonna make it smooth.
This right here, this his shit right here. This got a 392 Henry Scott. Look how beautiful that been look, bro. They're pretty. Mine just regular, but yeah, I'm gonna get that soon though. That'll be pretty, and they got some big ass tires too. I'm gonna get there soon, bro. What happened?
I'm trying to find my squeegee. It's like a little.
What's that called right there? A squeezer?
Squeegee. I told you that shit's, bro. Why they gave you extra now?
I think just in case.
Yeah.
But that's good though. Shoot. I could get that to Valentino, who knows? Right? No? Probably.
Is it two sides? Oh, it is two sides.
Oh no, that ain't extra, yeah.
Oh, that extra. This side goes, that's the side for the bottom part. Okay, that's for the bottom part.
I do want to look clean at night time, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm trying to make sure it's lined up properly. Pretty good.
Well, that came with the order?
This?
Yeah.
Nah, that's mine. That came for my tent. Turn your lights on. Just.
Oh yeah.
Push your key over.
I forgot.
Oh,
I'm putting the corners in now.
why is this bitch so big?
The blow dry there helps it stick on there?
Yeah. See, with the blow dry, you could like stretch it out, but you got that. Turn it on now. See what I'm talking about? So like right here. Gotta take this shit out.
Oh, you trying to cover it?
But it's like a whole bunch of stickers.
You just put it on. What time is it? It's 1:19 right now.
Yeah, you see it?
Distance.
You'll be able to see it at night for real.
Yeah.
It's the same thing on the other side, nigga. Put it down. Just help me out. Help me do it.
For me?
It's simple. Come on, nigga. Grab it. Do the other side. But get it. Just make sure you cover up the whole front, like right here. Pay somebody to do this shit too. They ain't gonna land how you want it to land, but you gonna have to make sure.
Like press it down.
Yeah.
So this is the bat right here.
Oh, you gotta take out the bubbles.
Nah, look at my side, but your side fucked up. That's your side right there,
I
Grant.
didn't put this out. I'm talking about where it is.
Fuck them bubbles. Fuck them bubbles, man.
Oh, go over it with the squeegee. It's gonna get rid of the bubbles. That's why you gotta use the what you call it?
The blow dryer?
Yeah. Yeah, nigga, it's not, bro.
So this is it for the backside, guys. I had to get rid of the bubbles a little bit, man. I had too much bubbles in there. This is how it looks on the back. It's gonna look nice at night, bro. I'm telling you. Now I think I gotta do the sides. Alright, now I done did the back already. Now I gotta get my car turning around, and I gotta do the stripes on the car. I don't know if I should just do the back first. I want to do the front first to see how it looks. So we'll see. I think I just decided to do the back one first because the back's already turned this way. So shoot, I'm gonna just do back first. my camera had died, so I had finished the back. Now I'm about to head to the front. Y'all boys see right here, man, I done put the lights on in the back. I mean the tents. Now I put the tents on this side and the other side, so like I be look clear at night. That be gonna be fire. Plus I got my my LED lights in the car. Now I gotta finish. I said I gotta finish the front. Now I gotta do it now. Then I'm gonna get my car washed right after that. So let's get it, man. Got the front right here. I just gotta put it on there. So y'all boys, I finally finished with my masterpiece, bro. My little tents on my car, that just match, and it looks so clean because I already got the black stripes. Know what I'm saying? Look, got the black with the black, bro. And now look, I'm about to go get my car washed. I'm gonna show y'all a little sneak peek when I get my car washed. You got black on black. Then you got silver tint. Then you got black. Then you got the back. Wait. You got black. Tinted. And then you got the masterpiece right here. Yeah, at night, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the update at night of how that bitch look. That bitch gonna be so fire, bro. Hey, but shit, I'll hit y'all when I get there, man. Clean.
Look at my girl, nigga. She looks sexy, don't she?
Hey, what? Where you going?
Where you wanna go? That bitch fire. I'm next, bitch. I'm gonna wash my shit, I ain't gonna lie. That shit dirty. And I got the black on that. With the what's name? The thing. Let's see.
See, I would.
Bro, at night, bro, that shit gonna look clean, bro.
I would use your strips, bro, but
That shit look clean, bro. It's gonna look clean at night, man.
it's gonna look weird on my car, bro.
I know. Oh, this one I got left, actually. This, bro. That be clean, huh?
She coming back to life.
Yeah.
It's been 2 months since I cleaned my car, nigga.
Nigga, you think it's been 2 months for you? But my shit been longer than that. My shit been down there like 6 months. Come on out, nigga.
That bitch don't stop. Watch that bitch. Go ahead, go ahead.
Fuck! Know what I'm saying? Payday just came, so I just got paid. I gotta fill up my gas tank. And also, I'm getting my car clean. So, yeah. Saving up for the stuff for my crib. Like furniture and shit. And my TV and stuff. And my PS5 and shit. Snow White. Tell the chat you about to slide.
Shout out to your subscribers and your viewers and the people who follow you, who support you, nigga, who around you, boy. Hey, he want to see you grind, want to see you elevate. Hey, man, but I'm going to catch y'all later, man. I'm about to go home. I got to work out. I got to keep this body in shape, you know what I'm saying? Hey, this shit don't come without hard work, nigga. So,
I'm showing your lights real quick.
oh, my lights? I got you on no fuck. You got to hear that call first. Yeah, bro, I just got these done.
At night, that bitch look brighter, bro.
Let me see that real quick. I got you. I should look way better at night, bro.
10 times brighter, bro.
It's in and the doors in the back.
You keep it that blue or what?
I keep it that blue, but it was red before.
You put that on there or that car?
Yeah, you put that on there.
The thing?
Yeah.
Whoa.
For the dirt and shit. It sticks on the carpet, bro.
Shit.
I forgot I take all my shit out. I never take it.
Alright, bro. When I go fill up my gas tank, I'm gonna bring Vic with me and I'm gonna show out my lights and stuff. Vamos. Lájala pues que fino.
Good.
Yo digo a fe anda con ya.
Yeah.
You mete closet lá. Yeah. So my mama that they almost done with the crib and stuff. I need to go show y'all the crib, matter of fact. I'm gonna show y'all the crib and stuff. I ain't trying to make my videos too long because people been tripping. People been saying my videos been like an hour, so I'm trying to make it like at least like 20 to 30 minutes and I'm gonna just be cutting them. But yeah, I gotta get me a hard drive too for my laptop. Cause they been saying they ain't been having no space.
What up, bruh? And then y'all wanna look with me. I'm glad it wasn't no fun.
I ain't finna hop in my car, I'm just finna.
I know they do the deposit. They put the deposit in.
You did your job. They charge you to do the body work.
The body?
To fix that.
The everything? Oh, I think he got to finish it, like put something in the back.
The lights.
The back of your
Oh,
car.
5.
How much?
5.
5,000?
500.
Oh shoot, I'd have been.
He said he's gonna fix that and the other side.
And they already should have everything ready.
Is that liquor, Jimmy?
That car kibosh.
On the way to the crib right now.
For movies and TV. I mean, for music and TV.
The crib, bro, finally.
Our doorbell is like we do.
Driveway is done, dog.
Yeah.
Nigga. It looks like it now. This is our yard, bro.
We got the hill too.
Doorbell and all down this bit. This look like it could fit 4 cars. So we not able to go inside. They done locked all the doors. But shit, man, we getting there, man. We almost there. Man, we gonna start streaming and stuff. Yeah, I'm ready. We ready, man. SBK crew, you know what I'm saying?